we're going to talk today about tea tree essential oil. It is one of the most well-known and versatile oils for cleaning. And honestly, most people, even if they've never tried Young Living or never tried really high quality essential oils, have heard of tea tree oil. So it's most commonly used in skincare as far as helping to reduce the appearance of blemishes on teenage skin, or it's just a really fantastic oil to use in cleaning or skincare of any type. However, it's an amazing oil to use to deodorize and to clean. So I'm going to show you a really simple DIY using tea tree today, and it's amazing. So I don't know how many of you like to use carpet freshening powder, so I'm going to show you how to do it. This is my jar for my carpet freshening powder that I'm out of, so I'm going to show you how to make new. It's literally 2 ingredients. It's super simple. You can use a glass jar if you like, which is what I'm doing, or you can use like an old shaker bottle for stuff like Parmesan cheese is excellent as well. But for this case, I'm just going to use this. So I've got my ginormous bag of baking soda, which is super easy. And all I'm going to do, this is a quart-sized wide mouth jar. I'm just going to spoon about 2 cups worth in, just because that's easy peasy. I'm just going to keep spooning it until I get to that mark. And the cool thing about this for the carpet powder is that baking soda on its own also has some anti-odor properties. And so by putting these 2 things together, you're going to get really good smell busting. And if you've ever used a carpet powder, you know that you just sprinkle it onto your carpet and you let it sit for 10-20 minutes until it has absorbed the odors, and then you vacuum it up. Super, super simple. So see, I've got this jar about halfway with baking soda. And if you go to like a Costco or a Sam's Club and you get that gigantic bag, this one here is almost 14 pounds, and I think I spent like $8 or $9 on it. If you buy the individual boxes, you're going to spend a lot more. So if you've got a friend or if you have a membership, that's generally the best place to buy it. All right, so I'm going to just add, I think, 10, 15 drops to this. So I've just added it. So easy. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give it a stir. And the reason I only put half of the volume of the jar filled with baking soda is the fact that you should give it a stir, but ultimately you're going to want to really shake it a lot to make sure that all of the clumps are broken up, to make sure that the oil gets distributed pretty well. And then you want to let this sit overnight. You don't want to use it right away because you want the oil to get all the way into the entire jar worth of baking soda. But once you get it sitting for overnight, you should be able to sprinkle it over any surface or your carpet. The cool thing is that you can actually use this also as the base for a cleansing paste, for a cleaning paste. And you can either add Thieves Household Cleaner or Castile soap and additional oils to make a scrubbing powder also. So while this is mostly a carpet powder, you can also use it as the base for other cleaning DIYs as well. So that's the very simple tea tree infused carpet powder. I'd love to hear if you make it, and make sure that you follow all of our videos. We'll see you again next time.